right, Junksters, let's talk about single item pickups. Look, I know they're a pain in the butt. I know they are sometimes a waste of time and sometimes a waste of money. But really, in the end, if you think about it, they are not. Here's why. Look, someone's going to call and say, I got this washing machine, I need it out today, tomorrow, as soon as you can come, and it's a 20-minute drive for you, or maybe even a little bit further. But you're really missing out on a beautiful opportunity here for a repeat customer, a great review, possibly, and them to suggest you to their friends, to the Facebook pages they're on. Oh yeah, I knew these guys hated my washing machine, they were great. This is your opportunity to get out there, give them your personality, do a great job, and next week, the guy could be cleaning out his garage and have 3/4 of a truckload for you. Or he could tell his neighbor who's cleaning out their garage, oh yeah, the guy I called last week, give him a call, he was great. You don't want to miss out on these opportunities. I know they don't make a lot of money. I know sometimes you just roll your eyes at them and you're feeling like, I'm just going to lose money here. But you really might not. You're really losing that opportunity for money to be made down the road. So do it. It's an investment in yourself.